Need assistance! Systems down!
Down! Need help!
Engaging!
I got a jackal on me!
I'm at the top of the ridge. There's an exit up here.
Spartans, yes. That is the path you seek. Keep moving.
Target on the stairs.
Armor failure! Need help! Need assistance! My assistance!
Grenade! Incoming! Last grenade!
Firing! Incoming grenade!
Jackal fire! Get down! Good kill, Luck.
Opening fire! I'm at the top of the ridge. There's an exit up here.
Spartans, yes. That is the path you seek. Keep moving.
Destroy this goal!
Hostiles cleared.
The Covenant are talking like they've already got the Arbiter beat.
If we lose the Arbiter, reaching the Guardian of Sunayon gets complicated.
These are pre-Covenant Sangheli ruins. They were already ancient history before humanity built the pyramids.
Looks like Covenant control the skies.
Act casual. Maybe they won't notice us.